Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can custom the home page on Tool4seller app. So for that, just open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, we just need to go to the home page. We can see in the bottom, in the left side of the research section, we can just see the home section. Just tap on the bottom left corner. So here we reach to the home right here. So in here we just need to tap on the top right corner. We can see a plus icon right there. Just tap on the top right corner, and when you tap on it, here we can see the custom home page option. Just tap on it. So this is where we can custom the home page right here. Here we can just change the order right here. So after that just don't forget to tap on the save option. So we can see we have been saved successfully. This is where we can custom the home page on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.